Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Radosh and today we're going to be making the best and the easiest banana bread recipe. This banana bread is going to be light, it's going to be fluffy, it's going to be moist, it's going to be everything that you're looking for in a banana bread. Also, this recipe is going to be moving pretty fast, so make sure that you have all your ingredients beforehand. And now, let's get started. In today's recipe, we will be using 3 large ripe bananas or 4 smaller ones, half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 100 grams of walnuts. If you're like me and you don't have really ripe bananas on hand, place them onto a baking sheet and leave them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or until they are fully brown. In a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of room temperature butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Blend it all together with a spatula and then start mixing it on low, slowly increasing the speed for a total of 3 to 4 minutes. Break the eggs beforehand. This will help you avoid getting any eggshells in the batter, and then place them into our mixture one at a time. After our bananas have been baking for about 15 minutes or so, peel them off and mash with a fork before adding them to our wet ingredients. Add a small splash of vanilla extract and mix it all together. Sift together the flour, baking soda and baking powder, and mix just until it's all well incorporated. Roughly chop the walnuts and add to them 1 teaspoon of flour and give them a light coating. Adding the flour to walnuts will help them not to sink in the batter while baking. Give the walnuts a light mix with the rest of the ingredients, being careful not to overmix the batter. Coat the loaf pan with butter to prevent the cake from sticking and pour the batter in. Flatten the top with a spatula and place in the center of a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. After 15 minutes, do a toothpick test. Pierce the loaf down the middle, and if the toothpick comes out clean, our banana bread is ready. Before serving your banana bread, leave it in the pan for about 30 minutes. After that, you're ready to cut and enjoy your perfect slice of soft and crunchy banana bread at home. Hey guys, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe and I hope that it inspired you to make your own banana bread at home. As you've seen, it's super easy and straightforward and the result is amazing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and share this video on your social media, and until next time, see you!